know this bhajan too, which is okay. It's Jaya Vijayi Bhava, Jaya Vijayi Bhava, Bhava Bhayanasa, Hanumanta, Pavana Kumara, Pavana Veera, Ati Balavanta, Hanumanta, Anjaniputra, Veeranjaneya, Niranjana Vijayi Bhava. So today we recruited Srimayi to help us learn this bhajan, and thank you Srimayi for agreeing to do this.
Saramanti.
Okay, so I'm seeing double myself money and I'm going to reduce this one. So this is good. You can see me, Srimayi?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, Auntie.
So we're going to do this Srimayi today in G, because one of the lines, as you know, it goes very high. So it will be better to start in a decent G. So if you can have the Shruti playing also on your end, a little bit softer for you to hear it, I'm thinking it may help us to be in the pitch. Let me sing once the whole thing. I'll sing each line once only, and then we will start the learning, okay? Jaya Vijayi Bhava, Jaya Vijayi Bhava, Bhava Bhayanasha, Hanumanta, Pavana Kumara, Pavana Veera, Ati Balavanta, Hanumanta, Anjani Putra, Veeranjaneya, Niranjanam Vijayi Bhava, Niranjana Vijayi Bhava. That's the bhajan. Jaya Vijayi Bhava,
Jaya Vijayi Bhava,
Jaya Vijayi Bhava,
Jaya Vijayi Bhava,
Jaya Vijayi Bhava, Jaya Vijayi Bhava,
Jaya Vijayi Bhava, Jaya Vijayi Bhava,
Bhava Bhayanasha.
Bhava Bhayanasha.
It's Bhava Bhaya. Both are Bha.
Bha, okay.
Can you sing that?
Bhava Bhayanasha,
Hanumanta,
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 Bhava Bhayanasha, Hanumanta,
Bhava Bhayanasha, Hanumanta,
Pavana Kumara,
Pavana Kumara,
Pavana Veera,
Pavana Veera,
Pavana Kumara, Pavana Veera,
Pavana Kumara, Pavana Veera,
Ati Balavanta,
Ati Balavanta,
Hanumanta,
Hanumanta,
Ati Balavanta, Hanumanta,
Ati Balavanta, Hanumanta,
Anjani Putra,
Anjani Putra,
Veeranjaneya,
Veeranjaneya,
Anjani Putra, Veeranjaneya,
Anjani Putra, Veeranjaneya,
Niranjana.
Niranjana.
Little higher. Niranjana.
Niranjana.
Vijayi Bhava.
Vijayi Bhava.
Niranjana 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 Vijayi Bhava.
So this is just the base of the whole bhajan, and there are a couple of variations you probably noticed that we didn't do.
No.
With that bolo, we can add Niranjana when we repeat second time. Bolo Niranjana, that one is there. So let's go back again. This time I won't break it. Can we do one line, right? I think you are good. It sounds so beautiful, Shrimi, when you are singing.
Thank you, Auntie.
Jaya Vijayi Bhava, Jaya Vijayi Bhava.
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 Bhava Bhayanasha Hanumanta.
Bhava Bhayanasha Hanumanta.
Bhava Bhayanasha Hanumanta.
Bhava Bhayanasha Hanumanta.
Pavana Kumara Pavana Veera.
Pavana Kumara Pavana Veera.
Pavana Kumara Pavana Veera.
Pavana Kumara Pavana Veera.
Ati Balavanta Hanumanta.
Ati Balavanta Hanumanta.
Ati Balavanta Hanumanta.
Ati Balavanta Hanumanta.
Anjani Putra Veeranjaneya.
Anjani Putra Veeranjaneya.
Anjani Putra Veeranjaneya.
Anjani Putra Veeranjaneya.
Niranjana Vijayi Bhava.
Niranjana Vijayi Bhava.
Bolo 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 Niranjana.
Bolo Niranjana.
Are you finding it hard to go high?
No, it's okay.
Niranjan.
Niranjana.
Bring it down.
Niranjana. Like that?
Bolo Niranjana.
Bolo Niranjana Vijayi Bhava.
Again.
Bolo Niranjana Vijayi Bhava.
Bolo Niranjana Vijayi Bhava.
Bolo Niranjana Vijayi Bhava.
Sing again, please.
Bolo Niranjana Vijayi Bhava.
जय विजयी भव जय विजयी भव
जय विजयी भव जय विजयी भव
भव भयनाशा हनुमन्ता
भव भयनाशा हनुमन्ता
पवन कुमार पावन वीरा
पवन कुमार पावन वीरा
अति बलवन्ता हनुमन्ता
अति बलवन्ता हनुमन्ता
अंजनी पुत्र वीरांजनेय
अंजनी पुत्र वीरांजनेय
निरंजना विजयी भव
निरंजना विजयी भव
बोलो निरंजना विजयी भव
बोलो निरंजना विजयी भव
Very good. So the one thing I didn't do, Pavana Kumara, when you're singing the second speed, you can do that second variation.
Okay.
First stick with the first variation. Or do both if the time permits and if the in the center the timing is okay. But usually second speed we don't repeat more than
Repeat twice.
only except the last one.
Okay.
Can you sing the whole thing by yourself or you want me to follow you?
Okay.
You
I can
follow,
sing.
I'll follow you. I'll
Should I
follow
do
you.
first the whole bhajan, first speed and second speed?
Yes, please. First speed.
जय विजयी भव जय विजयी भव
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 भव भयनाशा हनुमन्ता
भव भयनाशा हनुमन्ता
भव भयनाशा हनुमन्ता
भव भयनाशा हनुमन्ता
पवन कुमार पावन वीरा
पवन कुमार पावन वीरा
पवन कुमार पावन वीरा
पवन कुमार पावन वीरा
अति बलवन्ता हनुमन्ता
अति बलवन्ता हनुमन्ता
अति बलवन्ता हनुमन्ता
अति बलवन्ता हनुमन्ता
अंजनी पुत्र वीरांजनेय
अंजनी पुत्र वीरांजनेय
अंजनी पुत्र वीरांजनेय
अंजनी पुत्र वीरांजनेय
निरंजना विजयी भव
निरंजना विजयी भव
Do I do the second variation now or do I do the first
Sing
one?
the second version so that we can get you.
निरंजना विजयी भव
निरंजना विजयी भव
बोलो निरंजना विजयी भव
बोलो निरंजना विजयी भव
बोलो निरंजना विजयी भव
बोलो निरंजना विजयी भव
जय विजयी भव जय विजयी भव
जय विजयी भव जय विजयी भव
भव भयनाशा हनुमन्ता
भव भयनाशा हनुमन्ता
पवन कुमार पावन वीरा
ಪವನ ಕುಮಾರ ಪಾವನ ವೀರ
ಅತಿ ಬಲವಂತ ಹನುಮಂತ
ಅತಿ ಬಲವಂತ ಹನುಮಂತ
ಅಂಜನಿ ಪುತ್ರ ವೀರಾಂಜನೇಯ
ಅಂಜನಿ ಪುತ್ರ ವೀರಾಂಜನೇಯ
ನಿರಂಜನ ವಿಜಯೀ ಭವ
ನಿರಂಜನ ವಿಜಯೀ ಭವ
ಬೋಲೋ ನಿರಂಜನ ವಿಜಯೀ ಭವ
ಬೋಲೋ ನಿರಂಜನ ವಿಜಯೀ ಭವ
ಬೋಲೋ ನಿರಂಜನ ವಿಜಯೀ ಭವ
ಬೋಲೋ ನಿರಂಜನ ವಿಜಯೀ ಭವ. Very nice. Thank you so much, honey, for doing this.